Hi folks, David from Explore Oz Traveller app tip, Snail Trail. We got a few questions come to us about how to clear the snail trail or how to use the snail trail. What you can see here where we're sitting, you can see this little dash line here, that's our snail trail or our track back trail. You can see that we've gone out here and done a circle and out there and done a circle. We've come up the road. One of the things you use the snail trail for is obviously to backtrack. The app stores the last 1,000 positions in your snail trail. So if we try and back it out, I'll go a bit further out so you can see it. Our snail trail is basically starting from here and coming to there. That's the 1,000 positions that are in the current active snail trail. So simply to clear it or to remove it from the map screen, there's two choices. If we come in here, you can obviously hit invisible, which will just turn it off from the map screen altogether. The other thing you can do is, while it is visible, is you can clear it. Now, clearing the snail trail doesn't remove the positions from your device. It doesn't reset anything. It doesn't lose any data or anything of that kind. It just resets the visibility of the snail trail on the map. And it's the same as doing the enable to turn it on. Whether you're turning it on or clearing it, you aren't removing any data from your device. You're just affecting the visibility of the snail trail on the map. So hope that helps explain how to use the snail trail and reset the snail trail.